Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Amin. My lecturer is Professor Dr. Haji Sujito, MPD. Subject is Advanced English. Here I want to discuss about how project-based learning can improve student motivation and also reading comprehension. Introduction. Project-based learning or PBL is able to motivate students to connect with content all of the text while increasing their knowledge of a topic. PBL is a way to appoint students and give them ownership over their own learning. This method of instruction allows students to choose and create an authentic assessment to demonstrate their knowledge of a topic. PBL takes teacher out of the center of instruction and allow the student to work together to creatively demonstrate their understanding of the content. Many students simply do not see the incentive to read assisted text, and as a result, their learning is impacted. All students will be helped the implementation of PBL. First question: can PBL improve student learning motivation and reading comprehension? Project-based learning is a student-driven method of instruction to allow students to learn through and will collaboration with the peer and creating project to demonstrate the learning. A positive benefit for PBL is the students are more intrinsically motivated in the they are doing. As a result of the increased motivation, students put more effort into their learning. Motivation. Motivation is a personal result with purpose decision to act, as the result of which there is sustained intellectual and physical effort, so the person can achieve some proposed set goal. Motivation as the driving force in any situation that lead to action. It means motivation and be driving students to pay more attention to the subject. Based on the statement above, the research conclude that in the language learning process, a motivated aspect need to push the student and to enthusiasm to achieve the goal of the learning activity. Reading comprehension. Reading is a process carried out the use by reader of acquired message which conveyed by a reader through what could be seen and known by reader. A short reading is an activity to get meaning from print, word, and symbols, and how this ability is used to recognize, understanding, and interpret in words. Reading is actually dominated by the eyes and brain. The eyes receive message and the brain has to work out the significance of this message. Purpose of reading. The purpose of reading into the two came towards a reading for pleasure and the reading for information. Method used in the study and literature work review. Thank you for the question from Mr. Suyanto. How did PBL increase motivation? Important aspect of PBL is the student creative design process. PBL is a student-centered approach driven by student choice. PBL puts the student in the driver's seat of their own learning. Students create their project from the designing and planning stage all the way through to the finished product. PBL leads to increased motivation and student. Not only in increased motivation positive for student. Other positive benefits include the gaining of life skills such as the collaboration, problem solving, and critical thinking. And the second question from Mr. Oong, how is the implementation of PBL? The implementation of PBL, which laying down the position of student as the carrier of learning, led them to choose and dedicate with material of learning sort of use. It drives the student to enhance their reading skill in various purposes such as reading to classify, invert, finding main ideas, conflict, and contrast. From this discussion, it can be concluded that implementation of project-based learning is in line with student improvement on the learning motivation and reading comprehension skill. Thank you. I think that's all for my presentation. Thank you for the question and discussion. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.